If you're not getting views or sales, what's the first thing somebody asks you? How's your SEO? Now, what is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. And what that means is the keywords that are in your title, as well as your tags, are how you get recognized on the Etsy platform. Now, if you're new to this channel, my name is George McConnell, and I started my Etsy business with just $100. And last year, I made $1.2 million. Each week, I launch new videos with tips and tricks to teach you how you could do the same. Now, I know you're over all the clutter and BS and all the videos out there that are leaving you running in circles. You're at the same spot that you started. I'm here to show you that there are different solutions. There are things that they are not telling you. And this SEO tool that I'm about to show you is going to save you hours of work. When first starting out, I know how difficult it is to come up with titles, as well as description and tags. A lot of you are left at, hey, where do I begin? So I was trying to find solutions that can help you without needing to actually sit there and research for hours on hours. And I found a solution in ChatGPT. There is a GPT called Etsy SEO Expert. So let's jump on to ChatGPT and let me show you how this awesome software works. So to save us some time, I already launched ChatGPT as well as Etsy SEO Expert. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use this tool. So you go to your Etsy listing and you would take your actual listing, and all you have to do is copy here and copy this link, right? So just looking at this, it says wood sling chair, not much in the title. Description, it's not huge. Also their tags aren't the best, right? So all you need to do is go here, right? Say optimize the following listing, and then put that URL in. Now, as soon as you put that URL, hit enter, and it's going to look it up and provide you with that title, a description, as well as tags that you can use. And there it goes. So here's an optimized version. It says handcrafted walnut wood sling chair, mid-century modern design, durable black USA leather, timeless luxury setting for elegant home decor. Now, look at this title right here versus this, wood sling chair. If you saw this while you were searching, you would probably click on it. Whereas if you saw this, you're going to end up with, unfortunately, 0 sales in 12 months. So this right here, the description as well, very optimized, shows you everything. It keeps you the key features of the superior craftsmanship, premium material, customized options, durable style, hand-stitched leather, and a little bit about it. In addition to that, right here, provides you with the tags, handcrafted chair, custom wood chair, luxury home seat, mid-century design. Amazing, right? So now let's go on to the next one, and I'm going to show you just a pillowcase. So this one again, extraordinary peacock colors pillow cover. Go down to the description. This description does have a lot more. It tells you handmade with care, zipper for easy pillow insert, finished seams. Gives you a little bit more than that last one. But using this tool, we're going to see how much it optimizes it and how much it gives you. And it's going to be pretty crazy on where you can go with this. So optimize the following listing. And here's the optimized listing. So it says luxurious peacock colors, lumbar pillow cover, durable polyester blend, vibrant decorative cushion for stylish home decor. Beautiful title, right? Here's your description. It gives you the luxurious design. It tells you about the design. It tells you about the material, tells you about the uses, how to care for it, and handmade excellence. A little bit about it, crafted with care, smoke-free environment. Tags, peacock pillow cover, vibrant lumbar pillow, blue, green, gold, which are the colors that are in it, right? Style home decor, adorable polyester. I mean, these tags right here are perfect, right? Now, you still need to add a little bit to it, right? You have blue, green, gold, which is great. Somebody's going to be searching up pillow covers with blue or green. They'll come up. Peacock pillow, it's going to come up. You may want to add a little bit more in here for like living room or den or something like that. That's the only thing it really misses out on, but it's just a couple of little tags that need to be changed and you're good to go. So we're going to check out one more right here. This really freaky thing that I found online. It's a whistling peat tree face concrete garden decor. Going to the description, not a huge description. So we're going to see what this will do for it. Copy, paste, and we're going to write the same thing. Optimize the following listing. This is how simple it is. You just type it in. Oh, I spelled optimize wrong. And enter. And here it comes. And then here's the optimized version. Whistling Pea concrete tree face, garden art sculpture, quirky outdoor decor. Oh, it's still loading. For easy installation, right? Galvanized hooks for easy installation. So you see this description, right? Versus this description here. There's really nothing in it. And it's not really broken down as just one long sentence. Where here, it's breaking it down. It's telling you about a durable material, the vibrant detail, how to install it. It's handmade. It's made in the US. I mean, these are things that consumers want to see when they're looking at a description. As well as just this, title. I mean, the title, easy installation, tells you what it is, Whistling Pea concrete. Now, you don't need to do this. You could do, commas. You could just not do any commas. It's completely up to you. Tags, quirky garden decor, tree face art, concrete sculpture, outdoor tree decor. I mean, these tags, amazing, right? Add a little bit more maybe about it. I would like to see, unique or custom, something of that sort, just to allow a little bit more searching. Somebody typing in like custom tree ornament or unique tree ornament or scary tree ornament, because I mean, when I looked at it, I was like, what is going on? It's a little freaky. Adding things like that could pop up, but it's not going to come up with those crazy keywords that people may search, so that's up to you. But this is a great start. Now, how cool is that? It helped us with our titles, our description, as well as our tags. Now, it's not perfect. You will still have to add a little bit here and there, especially for your target audience, but it gets you on that right track, especially when you find yourself in a bind and don't even know where to start. If you want to check out this GPT, link is in the description below. It does require you to have ChatGPT Plus, so just keep that in mind. If you have any questions, any comments, please leave them below. Love hearing from you. Thank you for tuning in. Talk to you later.